We are now in the AI era, and the saying is, if you don't know how to use AI, you're going to be left behind. And truthfully, they are right. Except, they're also completely wrong. Because if that's the case, why are there so many people using AI right now who are still creating products that nobody is using? I've been in both worlds. As a software engineer, I know how to build with AI. And I'm part of several AI communities where I see incredibly talented people shipping product after product. The workflow and output is flawless and impressive. And almost all of them are invisible. Then on the other side, I see content creators, people who already have the audience, already have the trust, already know how to sell. They are still writing every script from scratch, they are still doing every brief manually, and they are still grinding through research by hand. Two different groups, both leaving everything on the table for completely different reasons. So what if the bottleneck in the AI era was never the building, it was always the distributing? And what if content creators already solved that problem years ago? There's a YouTube channel right now that does nothing but talk about Claude Code and vibe coding. This channel is getting hundreds of thousands of views per video, not because the code is better than anyone else's, but because he knows how to get people to care about it. Because right now there are two groups losing in their own way. Vibe coders who can't get anyone to care, and content creators who are doing everything the hard way when AI could multiply their output. Difference is, content creators can fix their problem with AI, positioning themselves to both build with AI tools and distribute. This is why they have an unfair advantage in the AI era. Let me share with you some Facebook groups I joined that talk about AI. The community is very active. Almost every single day, someone is posting their new workflow or their new awesome creation that saves thousands of hours. But after I consumed so much of these posts, I soon identified a very uneasy pattern. At first, it sounds like I am being left behind, where everyone is vibe coding and crushing it except me. But then something doesn't add up. All of these workflows or automation, as impressive as they are, it doesn't look like anyone is buying it. People are interested in how to build it, but people aren't buying it. And it is painfully obvious because the post always follows the same pattern. The entire post is an AI slop, and it always ends with comment something to receive my flow. At first glance, I thought that's a tactic I don't understand, but every single post I see uses this format, which tells me one thing. These people are vibe coders. They don't know how to distribute. You can tell from their cringe posts and lack of communication, which says these are engineers who are proud of the build process, but the product does not go anywhere because they can't sell. This is just an engineer's nature where they love focusing on the how and imagining their grand ideas solves a problem that doesn't exist. So it seemed like everyone is doing something cool with AI, but it doesn't matter because if you're building without understanding market fit or distribution, then that's not a product, that's a hobby. This whole concept is not new. It is the same as having a developer build you an iPhone app and you sell it because that developer just doesn't know how to market it. The same is happening in AI, but now there is a difference. Previously, a content creator might need to hire someone for video editing, scripting, uploading, research, ideas. But now, with AI, those are replaceable. I don't even know where to begin with this because there are so many AI tools that can help you do all of that easily at an affordable rate. Even using ChatGPT is enough to help you with scripting, research, and generating ideas. But of course, some might argue that using AI for scripting is just slop, which I agree. It is slop. But you see, it is a slop that content creators or whoever the user is can fix. All they need to do is review and QA it. Content creators don't need to build anything. They just need to plug AI into the right place in their content creation workflow they already have, and their output scales without adding hours. Let me show you someone who proves this works. There's a content creator I've been following for a while called Nate Herc. Nate makes content about AI automation, and in end, Claude, workflows, all of that. And according to vidIQ, he's earning around $600 a day from his YouTube channel. Now here's the thing, the videos aren't highly produced. He's not dropping cinematic edits or spending days on a script. He pumps out several videos a week, and the whole point is just, here's what I learned, here's what I built, here you go. But look at the views he's getting on his channel, averaging about 100,000 views a day. So why is it working? It is because Nate isn't just building, he's also distributing. Every workflow he creates, every automation he tests, it goes in front of people. He has an audience that trusts him, and that audience is why his work has value beyond his local computer. If Nate only built and never distributed, he would just be another person in an AI Facebook group posting about their workflow that nobody buys. The building didn't make him $600 a day. The distribution did. And that's the whole point. The build without the distribution is just a hobby. Now, of course, you might think that distribution is a learnable skill, which is fair enough, but the same can also be said about building with AI tools. The difference here is it is a lot easier and quicker to learn to use AI tools than it is to distribute. And this is why content creators have so much advantage. To learn to distribute means learning to communicate, to present, to overcome the fear of speaking. Not everyone is born to do that. And even if you do manage to overcome that, there's also things such as camera presence, aura, charisma, energy. Not everyone is born with that, and that's something AI can't help. Yes, you can build those attributes, but it takes years, and years is time you don't have when AI is moving this fast. And this brings me back to my point on the posts I see on Facebook groups. Yes, they are trying their hardest to distribute, but they are using text. They are using AI to generate posts. Why? Because they fear talking to people. They fear they might say the wrong thing. Basically, they are perfectionists, and perfectionists can never distribute because they overthink everything. Content creators are far from perfect because they have to deal with daily trolls, haters, people who disagree with them. And so they trained themselves to handle objections and rejections, which is why content creators now have so much advantage. The only thing stopping them is their belief that AI is not good for them. I use AI myself for brainstorming, for automating parts of my workflow, for getting to a first draft faster. I don't rely on everything it says. Instead, AI is like my assistant that can give me clarity. So if you're a content creator, congratulations, you have an edge. Just make sure you start using AI tools correctly and you'll see what I see, an unfair advantage that most creators are still slipping on. The AI era isn't going to be won by whoever builds the fastest. It's going to be won by whoever gets it in front of the most people. And content creators, you have been training for that your whole career.